And welcome to www.winemastery.co.uk. My name is John Lightfoot. This is
John Murphy.
And we're here to tell you all about wine, hopefully help you find the wine that you will absolutely love. Maybe will even tickle your palate, make you just really fancy that. When you watch us drink it, you think, I must try that. And maybe this will be that wine. Maybe.
It's just a pleasure watching you, John. It's just a pleasure watching you. Go on, go for it.
So, this wine, the reason I thought we'd try this wine tonight is a while back, I was taking my wife to a fantastic hospital called Christie's. They do fantastic work there. Anyway, we're taking her there to have some procedure done, and we had to have some space in between, so we got the chance to go quite often to this Italian restaurant called Croma in a little sort of sub-village of Manchester called Disbury. And in that restaurant, I tasted, for the first time ever, an Italian or Sicilian wine,
yeah.
which I guess is still Italian, really, called Grillo. And I really, really liked it. So I came back and I mentioned it to John, and John said he'd never tried it. I thought, whoa! I've tried a wine that Mr. Murphy has not. I was so chuffed with myself. So chuffed with myself.
It was as well, so chuffed.
That's easily done. So I thought, I must buy a bottle of that. And I recently saw this bottle, and it was actually a sparkling version. So the one I had was still, but this one was a sparkling version. And so I thought we could try something new together. I've sort of slightly tried it when it's still, but actually I've not tried a sparkling version.
Okay.
So we're going to give it a go, see what he thinks of it.
Let's do it.
It'd be really, really sort of... if you don't like it, won't it?
Well, we'll see. There's not many wines I don't like.
That's true.
What do they say? They say all wines are good, just some... there's no such thing as bad wine, just some are better than others. Yes. Yeah. So let's see what this one says.
I was just trying to see what it said. So...
It's hard work, you know, it really is. Colour-wise, it has that. It's quite a light, pale straw colour, but with the hints of green in there. It's
it's
a greeny
like a verde effect.
Very similar, John. Yeah, you will go with that. Yeah. It looks to be quite lively in there.
Yeah.
Let's have a little go on the nose.
It's quite sweet.
I know exactly what you mean.
Sort of edge of it. It doesn't smell sickly sweet, just an edge.
No, exactly. I do know, because it hasn't got a citrus, it's more kind of pear flavour in there.
Yeah.
Or pear on the nose.
I suppose a pear on the nose would be right. 2 nostrils that make a pear.
That really what you were thinking, John? Let's give that a little go, shall we, before this gets anywhere else. Ooh. That was very lively. The bubbles really come into their own there, don't they? You know you're having something sparkling. But it's not harsh. The acidity is not there. Not in a horrible way, in a very good way, because, you know, a lot of sparkling wines and champagnes can be quite acidic, and I know that's what puts a lot of people off.
Yeah.
Champagnes and sparkling wine. That doesn't have that. I'll tell you what, the pear flavour really comes through as well.
Yeah, it does.
It comes through quite strongly.
And it's not. I said I smelled it, but it doesn't actually taste sweet, does it? Whilst it was on the nose, it doesn't really taste sweet.
No, not at all. Almost has a sherbety freshness about it.
It does.
You know, both in flavour and sounds funny, but the texture of it in your mouth is quite.
Yeah.
If that's a description, you can feel it.
Fizzy. Fizzy. Sounds so much better than jizzy. So
stop that now. I'm drinking. No, but I mean, it's got a nice little bubbles coming through there. But you really, when you take it into the tongue, it really explodes.
Yeah.
Fresh.
It is. It is fresh. I mean, the length isn't fantastic, but it's reasonable. It's not. I mean, I think it is something that you back on my lawn.
Yeah.
Back on my lawn.
I couldn't forget the lawn. Yeah.
It's something that you'd be really be delightful just to keep sipping, wouldn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, can you remember how much this was?
I think it's somewhere about £10 mark.
See, for £10, that is very good. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that is excellent for £10. If you're having some kind of event, you know, a lot of people do turn down champagne or sparkling, in favour of just a white wine of some kind. Yeah. I reckon that'd be a goer.
I think the other advantage with this is if you were to pour this and people would always say, oh, is this champagne, waiting for you to tell them you couldn't afford that, and it's Prosecco actually. If you said it was Grillo, they'd go, oh, of course.
Yeah, I know I would. Oh, it's a Grillo. Yeah. Know it well, but now I do know it well. Yeah, thank you very much for that, John.
No, it's an absolute pleasure.
You're introducing me to these things now.
No, I think it'd be great. I really would. I will get some more of this because I think, as you said, if you've got a sort of a function where you've got sparkly, this would be really nice. Now, the other nice thing to having this and giving it to, you're saying, if you come back.
Already too much, go on.
Yeah, if you're giving it to friends, it would be something new for them. So they've probably not tried Grillo, and seriously, actually for them to try and like it, you'll be the first one. You'll be Mrs. Jones.
Bit of kudos, that, isn't it?
Absolutely.
I'd be quite impressed. Well, I am quite impressed, but I would be quite impressed if somebody brought me that.
Yeah.
Because it'd be something I've not had, and as you say, friends not tried it.
Yeah.
Very good, John. Very good choice.
Thank you very much indeed. Well, give it a try. The links will be underneath. Well worth trying a bottle. It's not too expensive, so it's well worth giving it a go. See what you think.
Well, for a tenner, definitely.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let us know what you think. Give us some comments. Let us know what you think. If you thought it was rubbish, then tell us. We're open to it.
We'll happily take it on.
We will. Every palate is different. Okay. Yeah. So until the next one, we'll see you soon, and we're missing you already.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.